cleaning today? Let's do the laundry. A liquid powder detergent. Turn on the washing machine. The laundry is done. Take the clothes out of the washing machine. A liquid or a powder detergent? Choose one. Liquid detergent. Dry the clothes. Socks, 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 socks. T-shirt, t-shirt. Long pants. Skirt. The sun is coming up. You are the best. The clothes are perfectly dry. The clothes are wrinkled. Wow, they look new. Wow, they look new. Fold the clothes. You finished. Sort the clothes. Skirt. Short pants. Socks. T-shirt. 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 Skirt. Good job. You are done with the clothes. Yay! I'm the master of cleaning. Kiki. Gimme 5. Where are we cleaning today? The doll is smelly and dirty. Put the trash into the trash can. Ah, there are mice. Get rid of them quickly. Awesome! All the mice are gone. Remove the bubble to get doll clean. faster. Cap. Glasses. Bow tie. She's really cool. Awesome! Now you can do household chores alone. Gimme 5. Where do you want to clean? You have to clean your shoes often. Polish the shoes. Look! Your shoes shine like a mirror. Aw, there are scratches on the shoes. The friction will melt the candle. It's amazing! The scratches are gone. Decorate the shoes. The shoes are very dirty. Let's clean them. Put the shoe keeper into the shoes first. Amazing! The shoes are very white. Awesome! Now you can do household chores alone. Gimme 5. Where are we cleaning today? Aw, the bicycle's very dirty. Put the trash into the trash can. Apply toothpaste to the rusted areas. The wheel is covered with mud. Let's clean it. the color of the bicycle. Wow, your bicycle is stunning! Awesome! Now you can do household chores alone. Gimme 5. Where are we cleaning today? Wash the coffee cup. The pan is dirty. Put the residue into the trash can first. Wash the baby bottle. Use the brush to clean it. You've removed all the stains. Rinse it out. Dry it to prevent mold growing. Well done! Sterilizing dishes often is important. Push the switch to sterilize. Good job! You've cleaned all the dishes. Yay! I'm the master of cleaning. Kiki! Gimme 5.